Fuck out of here,
Where do I go once you open the fusion?
We're gonna go back down where we came from.
Oh, down, back now?
Yeah. Alright, it's open.
Okay, yeah, I heard you. Yeah.
Oh,
It's open,
fuck.
Oh shit! Johnny's right behind us, high! We gotta go, bro. You gotta use your ability, high.
You fucking bitch, you fucking thought like shit, motherfucker. Let's just see. It was like a. Oh, easy. Oh, wait, no, that's Sissy. Fuck, Sissy. Later. Oh, I see him. Here he. In these bushes, They're in these bushes. Right here. Oh, that's fucked up. Right here. That's my kill. Come here.
They take your kill. How's Evan's kill? You see the last one, or?
Yeah, I'm chasing her.
Where are you?
I got her, stupid bitch. Stupid whore.
Oh. Damn. We really let one escape, though.
Yeah. Oh, it's open. Slaughterhouse door is open.
Bro, these
Yeah, I opened
motherfuckers.
it. Oh, fuse is right here, Kev. I have it.
I'm opening it. I'm opening it.
Come back outside. Yeah, I'm coming back outside. Yeah, I'm coming outside.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck. Don't do
Fuck. Don't do not come out. Do not come out. This bitch
You're
saw me.
outside?
Yeah.
Fuck, dude.
Hold on.
Where are you, Omar? Are you in a barn or where are you?
I'm holding pen. I ain't
Oh,
gonna
you
hold
came
you.
in here where I'm at. Fuck you, bitch.
Oh shit, I'm sorry. I thought you went around.
Bro, you gotta get me
Oh
killed.
shit. Run, bitch, run!
Run, baby, run.
I'm gonna die, guys.
Oh fuck. I hear leather shit.
I'm dead, guys. It was nice knowing you guys.
Are you in a bush right now, Irvin?
I'm fucked, guys.
Yeah, I'm still
I'm
inside
dead.
the slaughterhouse though. They're outside.
Wait, how many killers are you?
Oh fuck.
Omar, just go in the basement, bro. We're
I
going
can't.
to the door anyways. Where are you?
He's chasing me, fucking hitchhiker, bro.
I know well.
Shit, I'm dead. There you go. I'm recovering.
Bro, it's almost like people are fucking in there. What the fuck? And then Jake
It's open. Door. Next to the bone room.
Shit, I'm dead. There you go. I'm recovering.
Bro, it's almost like people are fucking. I found him. I hit him.
Nice.
Alright, I don't know where to go.
Something for the pain.
Heal up. Just look. Oh, hi, run. Hi, get out of there. Go left. Go left, run.
Who's chasing you now?
Bubba.
Bro, there's no way.
Yo, I had nowhere to go. I thought you were still fucking left.
Bro, he might check here, bro. He might actually check here.
If you guys can make it out here, the shit's open. Everything's open.
Oh, you're outside?
Yeah.
Everything's open already?
Oh,
Yeah, everything's
shit.
open already.
Okay, hold up. They're right here.
The front door is open, alright? Unless
Even
you
electricity
fucking...
stuff?
Yeah, I turned it off.
Alright, Omar, come on, follow me. Break
Alright.
for it.
They're everywhere.
Go, Omar, run.
I'm behind them.
Come on, guys, come on. It's open. Oh, come up, Kev. Later, bitch.
Behind them.
Nice. Yeah, follow me, bitch.
Is he going?
Oh shit.
Fuck.
Uh-oh. Everything. Uh-oh, he's near me.
Oh fuck, dude.
Oh shit, he's on me. Oh! Help! Help! Help!
Where are you?
Oh shit, grandpa. I'm in the basement. I'm in the basement. No! Help! Help!
Where are you, dude? Oh, I think I see you.
No! I'm dead.
No, bro, no! You can get out. Wait, did you die?
No! Oh, he got me.
No, dude! No! No! I needed you, man.
Hey, yo.